Hi, my name is Cherie Krause, and I will be presenting to you my capstone project, which is titled Ramp Up Returnship, and it is for my course MDS495. So the problem is that there are skilled and capable potential employees who have been away from the workforce for an extended period of time, and they need a connection point that will help them to re-enter into the workforce. The question, how might I? Well, how might I provide a service that connects that gap, that fills that gap, and allows people to be able to reintegrate into the workforce? So justification. This program, it's necessary because there's an untapped resource of potential employees who have experience. This program offers the tools they need in order to transition back into the workforce. It provides advice, ramp-up courses, direction, and really importantly, it provides the networking that would help them to be successfully employed. It benefits our community because it connects our businesses with really amazing talent. Uh, this also ties in directly with my postgraduate goals of being gainfully employed, of finding an amazing job. Okay, so analyzing the problem is that people leave the workforce for a variety of reasons. They leave for family care, whether that's to take care of children that they're having or to take care of elderly parents or disabled children. Many people leave to earn a degree or because they're dissatisfied with the career path that they're in and they're unsure of where to go next. They have found that this affects women at a higher degree. There was a Harvard study that showed only 38% of women who have an MBA end up working full time, and that's often because they have left their career field and they find it difficult to find their way back into the workforce after being away for an extended time. There's really a difficulty in getting hired back into their career. Many who have this gap in their career have literally every intention of returning, but they just don't have that process. They don't have the connection point. The either or solution is that a company can hire a person who is a seasoned specialist, or they can hire a generalist. They can access experienced and motivated employees who are proven to have increased commitment, or they can miss out on those opportunities. The stakeholders that are in this problem are the employees who have taken away time from the workforce, moms and dads, caretakers of disabled children or elderly, and also the companies who are hiring. So the solutions for this problem, three different solutions that I have are, one is to develop the program, which would be creating a website that connects employees with the employers and also provides them with all of the tools that we've spoken about. A second solution would be using the decomposition pathway to integration that we learned about in our course. This would be to create an LMS, a learning management system, that people can actually log into, both employers and employees, and it teaches companies how to implement a ramp-up returnship program. And it teaches potential employees about the things that they would need in order to be rehired. A third solution would be the doubling down method, which is I would work as a consultant. I would just come in and I would help companies to incorporate a ramp-up returnship program into their hiring process. What stakeholders will need to value or have value in this is that they will have the tools that we spoke about, that they will have the advice, that they will have ramp-up courses that will help them to learn the technology and the changes in the technology and the new technology that has happened while they've been away, as well as giving them direction and providing them a network. And the companies are committed, our value is in the commitment of experienced employees I would implement these by using the cohesive tools we learned about of storytelling, visualization, and modeling, which all work together. I would interview potential employees and employers, and I would share the vision with them of what this could provide for them. And in that in that interview, I would also be listening to their feedback so that I could hone the program to fit the needs of both employers and employees. So, in conclusion, reviewing my problem and my solutions and the value that this has to my postgraduate goals. The problem is people who have left the workforce for an extended period of time and they just need help transitioning back into the workplace. And this connects them with potential employers, and it connects those employers with valuable and experienced employees. The solutions are to develop the website that would implement a ramp-up returnship program. Secondly, I could create the LMS or the learning management system that actually walks people through, teaches them and advises them about ramp-up returnship programs. And the third is to consult companies on incorporating a ramp-up returnship program. The value to my postgraduate goals is that this actually connects me with potential employers. It gives me direction for my own career, and it also has provided excellent networking for me.